Hey guys, Dave from Red Smoke BBQ here, and welcome back to our 2-minute sauces series where we aim to show you how to make fantastic sauces for your barbecue in under 2 minutes. Now, today we're gonna do one a little bit different. We're gonna do a Cherry Chipotle BBQ sauce. Now, this is a fantastic full body flavored sauce. It's not too zingy, so it's good for the kids, but it's just rich in flavor and rich in color. The cherries give it a beautiful red color. Now, the other good thing about this sauce is it's really versatile. It goes great on different cuts of meat. Recently, I've been using it on chicken, and it's also been a hit on ribs. Now, I've had this sauce probably written down in my recipe book for around 12 months. I wrote it down off a Facebook forum. I cannot remember the name of the person who posted it, but I only gave it a go about a month ago, and I must say the family are really enjoying it. So this one will keep in the fridge for quite a while, so it's a very handy one to make in big batches. Today we're just going to make it in a small batch. There are a few ingredients that you need. Now, Chipotle, where do you get that from? Well, you can get that from your supermarket. It comes in a jar. I got this in Australia at the local Woolies, so it's not an issue. It is highly available if you've never used it before. It smells great when you first open the jar. And the other question I've had a couple of times is molasses. Where do you get molasses from in Australia? Well, again, your local supermarket. Now, if you're watching this video from another country, I'm sure all these ingredients are pretty accessible to you at your local supermarket. So let's run through the recipe. I'm going to show you the ingredients that you need and how to put together this fantastic sauce. All right, let's get the 2-minute timer started. Now, there's quite a list of ingredients here. It's probably best just to pause it and take a screenshot. Now, with the cherries, I've used the frozen pitted cherries, and you do want pitted, but you could use fresh. The chipotle I found in the spreads area, as well as the molasses I found near the honey section in your local supermarket. Now, with your lime, I've used the lime juice, but you could definitely use a freshly squeezed lime with a bit of zest if you have one available. Now, once you've got all the ingredients measured up, it's just time to pour it all into the saucepan. Okay, so once you've added all the ingredients, try not to make a mess and give it all a little bit of a stir, and then add that teaspoon of chipotle into the mix. Then we're going to put it onto a low heat for around 20 minutes. We're going to let this simmer. So start off just with a low. Now you need to watch this one and just give it a regular stir just so it doesn't burn and stick to the bottom, but just slowly bring that up to the boil. And you'll see the cherries start to leach into the sauce and the color of the sauce really start to change and go a lot richer and darker. Once you've done that, pop it on a bench, let it cool down to room temperature, and then we're going to put that into a blender. Now, at this point, you can add just a pinch of salt and pepper if you like, and we're just going to give that a bit of a blend and mash up those cherries, which will be nice and soft. And once you've done that, just transfer that to an airtight jam jar that we're going to pop into the fridge. All right, stop the clock there because we have finished making our Cherry Chipotle BBQ sauce. Now, I keep raving about the color because I just don't think the camera does it justice, but it's a beautiful red color, and I can tell you, beautiful flavor. So smoky, it's got that sweetness from the cherry, and that will really intensify and become bolder with about 24 hours in the fridge. So if you can, make this one the night before you want to use it, pop it in the fridge, and then just bring it out, let it come up to room temperature before you want to use it on your ribs, as I said earlier, or your chicken, fantastic. But really anything in barbecue sauce, this goes really, really well. Now, if you like this video, really appreciate a thumbs up. It costs nothing for you to do. It means a lot to us. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so that you can see more of our great barbecue videos, especially in our 2-minute sauces range. So until the next video, we'll catch you then.